How do you convince your boss to use printer logic? Think about what they like. Bosses like numbers.
We've reduced help desk calls by over 75%.
Bosses like saving time.
We went from about 2,500 printer-related tickets in a year down to 3 or 4.
Bosses like saving money.
We're looking at annual savings of $60,480 in just IT time, plus another $85,680 in annual cost savings and lost time for our end users.
Bosses love an ROI.
Organizations that choose Printer Logic see between a 100% and 200% return on their investment.
Bosses like happy employees. At least they should.
With Printer Logic, we simply pull up the interface and see what's happening at the site. And frankly, we don't even have to do that much anymore. The users can figure it all out themselves. It's that easy.
Bosses like security.
Thanks to Printer Logic, we were saved from print nightmare vulnerability.
Bosses like efficiency.
Printer Logic reduces print-related help desk calls by up to 95%.
Bosses like free things.
Check out our website for a free 30-day trial.
And bosses will love Printer Logic. They just need to hear about it.
Tell your boss about Printer Logic today. Learn more at printerlogic.com.